Hey, this is Paul. This is Repair for Jerry. This is a K7500 mid-res monitor, 25-inch. Came to me with some focus issues. Wouldn't hold its focus. I replaced the flyback, did some reflow work, cleaned up the cap kit a little bit, and we got a good looking picture now. All the colors are there. Nice stable picture. It's been on my testing rig for several hours. And we are looking good. I have my own transistor here. This one usually goes in the back over here, but it wasn't included, so I always have a spare I use on a nice big heat sink. There's a new flyback. Cleaned up the caps a little bit, and we're looking good. Neck board was looking really good. No real work needed to be done. I'll box this guy up and send it back. See ya.